Wednesday, and I am braving the cold to go and get some groceries. We had a little bit of snow last night. Very little. I mean, you can barely see it there, but it's there. So we had some snow. It's like 20 degrees. It's cold. I'm headed to get myself a cup of coffee. I'm gonna get myself a little breakfast burrito or something. And then I'm gonna head to Aldi to do some shopping and to Walmart to finish up my grocery shopping and pick up a few more Christmas gifts that I need. And then that'll be it. Come home, film a grocery haul, take care of all that. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, of course. I hope you are having a wonderful week. I've got my very grumpy teenage son with me here. He is not happy at all to be up this early. It's actually not early. I originally had planned to get up and be at Aldi before they even opened. And they opened at 9. That didn't happen. Trying to get Grumps a lot here out of bed that early was impossible. But it's 9:53, so not too bad. First stop, Tim Hortons. I am so ready for coffee. Okay, where are you going, dude? You want something from here?
Big burrito.
All right, friends, we are here at Aldi, but we're gonna have breakfast before we go in. Say good morning.
Morning.
So I got some Burger King breakfast burritos. You got a gigantic one, which is here. I just got little baby ones. And I got my coffee, so we're gonna have a quick breakfast and then we're gonna go into Aldi. Alright, so we are now outside of Walmart, and now the way that I did groceries in Aldi was I actually added everything to my grocery app, my Walmart grocery app, and every time that I found an item in Aldi that was on my list, I compared the price, and if it was cheaper at Aldi, I bought it at Aldi. Most everything that I could get at Aldi was cheaper. There are a few things that I want to get from Walmart that we just like Walmart's quality better. So, like, we really like Walmart's coffee creamer. My kids really like their big bags of cereal here, etc., etc. So, now I can go in and just get everything else that I need to get from Walmart. I spent $50 in Aldi. According to this, I have another $61.36 to buy at Walmart, and that's if I stick exactly to this list. I'm sure I'll buy a few extra things, because I always do. But that is the plan. I also have to get Austin a couple more Christmas gifts, so that he can officially be checked off my list of who to buy for, and he'll be done. So, we're going to go. I'm procrastinating going back out, because it is cold. I just stood and filled up my gas tank, and my ears are still, like, numb. They're so cold. So, warming up, drinking a little bit more of my coffee, and then we're gonna head in. Alright, so we are done in Walmart. We bought a ton of crap. We went over budget. Ended up spending almost $80 in there instead of the $60 I had planned, but not terrible. We got a few extra things. We got some eggnog, so.
Michigan sucks today.
Yeah, we're not happy about this cold.
Not ready.
This young man here.
I haven't been sleeping with the fan on yet.
This young man here just put all the stuff into the car for me so that I could sit and warm up a little bit, which
I have
was
a great plan.
Very thoughtful.
All the crap's gonna sit in here until Austin gets home and he can unload it.
Yeah, no, that's not gonna happen.
That's a great plan.
No. But we got everything we needed and some stuff we didn't, and now we're headed home. Ready to go home?
Is it warm at home?
It is.
Then yes, and we're turning up the heat.
Oh yeah, so I had every intention of filming a little bit of a cleaning video, but this little piece that fits down inside my tripod that attaches my camera is missing again. That happens more times than I'd like to admit. I need to get a new tripod that doesn't require that. But I showed you guys a little look at the giant mess in my house. It's bad. I don't have time to spend an hour searching for that little piece, so I'm just going to do a little before and after shots, which I know is not anybody's favorite, but it'll give me some motivation to take care of this. This is a whole basket of clothes that got dumped, stuff everywhere, just chaos. So the kitchen's not terrible, but it definitely could use some work. So I'm gonna go and get this stuff done, and I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. All right, that is so much better. It's looking much, much, much better in here. Definitely a humongous improvement. I just got a few more gifts wrapped, and you guys, this is by far my favorite paper that I bought this year, and it was the least expensive. I think it's so pretty. I love the little red birds, and the pine cones, and the snowflakes. And this blue color is like my favorite right now. Matches pretty well with my tree. So 2 more gifts wrapped. I'm sitting here enjoying some of these cookies that we bought yesterday. They were pretty popular, as you can see. There's only a couple left. These are from Great Value. They're the holiday dipped fudge mint cookies. And you guys, these are delicious. Sort of reminiscent of like a Thin Mint Girl Scout cookie. But so, so good. Like probably my favorite holiday treat that I've tried this year. Yummy. Alright, let's try this again. I just dropped my camera. Anyways, I was saying, Robbie was nice enough to make grilled cheese for lunch. Can you guys see the smoke? I don't know if you guys can see it. He set off both smoke alarms. He's a pretty good cook, but sometimes he tends to, not sometimes, almost every time he cooks, he sets off the smoke alarm because he's just a little heavy-handed. He's in a hurry, so he likes to keep the flame up a little higher than maybe is necessary. He burned the butter, and that happened. But I am
delicious.
Sure it's still gonna taste good. He just still trying to get the hang of cooking.
I'm eating one that fell on the floor because Mom didn't want it.
And then there's that.